Sugar, the overlooked health killer. Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of the podcast, sponsored by Vitacois Ltd. Today, we're discussing the critical link between sugar and diabetes, a topic that concerns us all. Section 1. The broad definition of sugar. Sugar isn't just the white cubes in your coffee. It includes refined carbohydrates like white rice, white bread, and noodles. In your body, these are rapidly converted into glucose. Eating a bowl of white rice triggers a blood sugar spike almost identical to consuming pure sugar. Section 2. The global crisis by the numbers. According to 2025 research in Nature Medicine, in just 1 year, 2.2 million new type 2 diabetes cases and 1.2 million heart disease cases were caused by sugary drinks. This means 1 in 10 new diabetes cases is directly linked to these beverages. If we include refined carbs, the impact is even more devastating. Section 3. How sugar attacks the TPADs. Research from Stanford and UC California confirms a dose-response relationship. More sugar over longer periods equals higher risk. There are 2 biological pathways. Indirect. Sugar causes weight gain, a major diabetes risk factor. Direct. Sugar independently damages your metabolic system, regardless of weight. The mechanism: imagine your body as a factory. Insulin is the worker distributing energy. Constant sugar intake makes these workers exhausted and unresponsive. This is insulin resistance. Meanwhile, your pancreas, the production department, burns out from overwork until it can no longer produce enough insulin. Section 4. The danger of liquid sugar. Liquid sugar sodas, juices is the most dangerous because it lacks fiber. It hits your bloodstream instantly, forcing your pancreas into a panic mode. In contrast, whole fruits or brown rice contain fiber that slows sugar absorption, protecting your system from these violent spikes. Section 5. Long-term consequences. Diabetes is a silent, progressive disease. By the time you're diagnosed, you may have already lost 50% of your insulin-producing cells. The long-term reality is severe. Vision loss and kidney failure, nerve damage leading to amputations, increased risk of stroke and heart attack. Conclusion: choose wisely. The evidence is clear. Reducing sugar and refined carbs significantly lowers diabetes risk. Swap white rice for brown rice. Choose whole grains over processed flour. Prevention is a choice you make at every meal. We'll see you next time.